All right, let's give vinyl playing flooring the standing ovation it deserves and really take our time with it. Picture this. You walk into your living room and the floor just feels right under your feet. That's vinyl for you. It's soft enough that it's comfortable if you're standing around cooking dinner or playing with the kids, but it's tough enough to handle real life. We're talking scuffs, spills, drop toys, even pet claws. It just shrugs it off and keeps looking good. And the best part is, it can mimic hardwood or stone so beautifully that most people can't tell the difference at first glance. You get that warm, classic look without worrying about water damage or scratches. Now take it into the kitchen. That's where vinyl really starts to shine. Kitchens are chaos. Coffee spills, grease splatters, water everywhere. Vinyl laughs at all of that because it's water resistant through and through. You can mop it down, wipe it clean, and it won't warp or swell like some other materials might. Plus, it's easier on your joints when you're on your feet for a long time, chopping vegetables or cleaning up after a big meal. And the design options are endless. You want a rustic farmhouse vibe? You got it. You want sleek modern marble? Done. It adapts to whatever style you're going for without the crazy price tag. Bathrooms are another win. Normally, moisture is the enemy of flooring, but vinyl doesn't care. It holds up against humidity and steam like a champ. So you can have that spa-like feel without the anxiety of water seeping in and ruining everything underneath. And if you go with a textured finish, you even get a little extra grip so it's safer when the floor gets wet. Now, let's talk bedrooms and basements. Bedrooms because it's quiet. Vinyl has a bit of cushion to it so it deadens sound. No loud footsteps echoing at 2 in the morning when you're grabbing water, and basements because it's forgiving. Basements can be cold and a little damp, but vinyl works over concrete and it doesn't feel like an ice rink on your feet. You can throw down a rug, set up a play area, a home office, whatever you want, and the floor will keep up. And installation? Oh man, this is where it gets fun. A lot of vinyl comes in planks or tiles that just click together like a puzzle. No glue, no nails, no messy adhesives. You can literally lay it over most existing floors as long as they're smooth and flat. That means less demolition, less dust, less headache. If you're a DIY person, you can knock out a small room in an afternoon with just a utility knife and a straight edge. If you're hiring someone, it goes down way faster than tile or hardwood, which saves you on labor costs too. The key is just making sure your subfloor is clean and level. If you nail that prep, the rest is smooth sailing. You leave a tiny gap around the edges for expansion, snap the pieces in, and boom, you've got a brand new floor. Durability-wise, this stuff is built to last years and years. The top wear layer is like a shield against daily wear and tear, so it doesn't fade even if you have a sun-drenched room. And if one plank does get damaged somehow, you can usually pop it out and replace just that piece without redoing the whole floor. Maintenance is stupid easy too. Sweep it, vacuum it, mop it with a mild cleaner, and you're done. No special waxes, no sealing, no refinishing every few years. Honestly, vinyl is the unsung hero of flooring. It gives you the beauty of premium materials, the toughness of commercial-grade surfaces, and the comfort that makes your home feel lived in and loved. Whether it's a high-traffic hallway, a cozy den, or even a mudroom where boots and backpacks are flying around, vinyl just fits in and makes everything easier. It's practical, it's stylish, and lets you spend less time worrying about your floors and more time actually living in your space. That's why people are obsessed with it right now. It's not hype, it's just smart design that works everywhere. Thanks for hanging out with me while we talked vinyl flooring. I really hope this gave you a bunch of ideas and made you feel excited about what it can do for your space. It's such a solid choice that blends beauty, durability, and ease all in one. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care and have a great day.